This is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I'm making an easy apple pancake recipe. And this recipe can be made dairy-free, and it's just so easy and delicious, and they come out so nice and fluffy. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make them. We have to peel and shred the apples first. Okay, now we have our apples shredded. Let's mix up the batter. First, we'll start with flour and add that to our bowl. Then we will add some sugar and baking powder, some soy flour as an egg replacement, but you can use an egg instead, and apple pie spice and salt. Now we're going to add our shredded apples and mix those in to coat them well. And then we're going to add a little bit of applesauce to help boost the apple flavor in the apple pancakes. And finally, we're going to add some half milk, half water. And for milk, we use soy milk, so you can use a milk replacement. Just mix it, and then we're going to add it to a hot griddle and cook. I'm using my electric skillet here, and let it poof. And then once the edges are set and there's bubbles in the middle, then it's time to flip. Nice and fluffy, and they're ready to serve. Now these pancakes are just great with maple syrup, but you can make them a little more special by adding a little vanilla or cinnamon to your maple syrup. And if you want the full printable recipe, you can click on the link in the description. And if you like this video, we would love to have you subscribe to our channel. And be sure to click the little bell so you'll be notified when we have new videos that come out, and be sure to like it too. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.